Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to add number 1. Later that we need to minus number 1. So this one we have negative number 2. This one that is about identities. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put s minus number 1 equals to the square root of number 2 secant of t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have number 2 secant of t square, number 2 and number 2. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus number 1. We change for tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here and here. ds we change for this one. So that is about number 2 secant of t square. So number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. This one that is about tan t square. The square root of this one, we have the square root of number 2 tan t. Later that we need to simplify the square root of number 2 secant of t tan t. This one that is about cosine t square over number 2 with the square root of number 2. So I will put this one go outside. And now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. The integration of cosine 2t that is about 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1 that is about t, and I will put about c. About t that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And now we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.